யாருக்கு கேட்க நான் வைக்கணும்
Good afternoon, everyone. So first, CA in the group 1, test number 6. Test number 6 and 7, ரெண்டு பேரும் இன்னைக்கு பார்த்துலாம். First, test number 6. Cost and Management Accounting, test number 6. Describe the composite cost unit as used in the service costing and discuss a ways of computing it. So two measures, when they are combined together, it will be called as a composite costs, and there are two methods. One is weighted average basis and number 2 is simple average basis or commercial basis. Question number 2 is activity based costing. So activity based costing and you have to explain point or 4 to 5 points kudtha podumanu. It's a 5-mark question. Question number 3 is a prerequisites of integrated costing. So that is also 5 mark. Any 5 points are enough. Question number 4. So this is a reconciliation statement. So profit as per financial accounts and profit as per costing. The reconcile parano, and these are the various items due to which there is a change. So this is the solution. Profit as per cost accounts is taken as a base 3,60,740. The answer is 3,40,590. What are the things to be added and deducted, and you know you have the format and just apply that. Question number 5. So what is state the method of costing that is most suitable for oil refinery? For oil refinery, it is process costing. Interior decoration, it is job costing. Airlines, service costing. Advertising, job costing. And for car assembly, it is multiple costing. Question number 6. Method of costing to be used in the following industries. Real estate, contract costing. Motor repair shop, job costing. Chemical industry, process costing. Transport service, service costing. Assembly of bicycles, multiple costing. And biscuit manufacturing, batch. Power supply, operating or service. Car manufacturing, multiple. Cement, unit or single or output costing. Printing press, job cost. Question number 7. What is the difference between cost control and cost reduction? So, a difference, any 5 points. You have to explain in any 5 points. Then question number 8. Journalize the following transaction under non-integrated systems. So 5 entries irukku, each one carry 1 mark. So first is stores ledger, material purchase, stores ledger to cost ledger control account. This is for number 2. Manufacturing overheads charged to production. Number 3. It is for selling and distribution recovered from sales. Number 4. This is for indirect wages incurred, taken as a manufacturing overhead. And this is stores ledger account for material returned from production to stores. Question number 9. So question number 9 is a contract costing. It already vandu samda. I think it's in test number 4 file vandirukku idhe problem. Appo we have discussed in detail. So the works cost balancing figure is 17 lakh and 2000. And the profit costing P&L 6,10,750 is the answer. Right. So these are the working note. Calculation of work uncertified. 2,12,750. Question number 10. So in the integrated system, first you have to prepare raw material control account. This is raw material control account. Balance carried down. Closing balance 1,32,630. Number 2, WIP control account. Closing balance 6,03,380. Finished stock account balance 3,58,100. General ledger control account 10,94,110. Okay. So that's all with respect to test number 6. Now CA Inter Group 1 costing. Test number 7. 100 marks test. Discuss any 4 objectives of timekeeping. So it's a 4-mark question. Any 4 points on a 4-mark. Then explain the retention money and progress payment. So எல்லாமே in points ஒரு 4 point explain பண்ணா போதும். Then margin of safety. அதுவும் similarly அப்படிதான். And larger margin of safety எதை indicate பண்ணுதுன்னு சொல்லணும். And how will you calculate? What is the formula for the calculation? இதையும் explain பண்ணணும். Question number 4. Points to be considered if you want to adopt a performance budgeting. So what are the various factors அப்படிங்கறத you have to explain point by point. Any 5 points. Next question number 5, blanket overhead rate. இதுவும் theory. Any 5 points. Again that composite இப்ப discuss பண்ணதா. Question number 7, identify the method of costing. Specific job இருந்துச்சுன்னா job costing, group of products batch costing, the nature of product is complex and methods cannot be ascertained multiple costing, and for a single product it is unit costing. Then question number 8, calculate a revised fixed cost, revised sales and new break-even point. So here the revised fixed new break-even ratio 60%, revised fixed cost is 1,62,000, revised sales 9 lakhs, revised break-even point 5,40,000. Question number 9, comprehensive cost statement prepare panna. So the total product cost is given. This the answer 6,18,587 and 1,46,430. Question number 10. So this is you have to calculate the cost indifference point and interpret your results as well as break-even point. So the first part, cost indifference point, answer is 40,000. And if the product is less than 40,000, method 1 semi-automatic. If it is more than 40,000, it is automatic. Point number B வந்து என்ன கேட்டிருந்தாங்க break even point. For under method 1 it is 10,000 and for under method 2 it is 20,000 units. Question number 11, this is with respect to variance. So it already I think in test 4 or 5 ல நம்ம work out பண்ண சொன்னா fixed overhead variance. Efficiency variance 1500 favorable. Capacity variance 900 adverse, calendar 2400 favorable, volume 3000 favorable, expenditure 1000 adverse. So these are the workings. Question number 12. Contract. So you have to compute the value of work certified 6,50,000, cash received 5,20,000, notional profit 1,75,000. Question number 13. This is activity based costing. One, you have to calculate the cost of driver and then you have to calculate the total cost using activity based costing. இந்த சம்ம ஆல்ரெடி நமக்கு ஒரு டெஸ்ட்ல வந்ததுதான். Repeatedly asked. Okay. So the answer is cost of driver rate for ordering 800, delivery 700, self-stocking 199, and you have to compute the total cost. This is the total cost. Now question number 14. So this is process costing. Okay. Process XM account பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் profit is 1,48,000, cost 5,92,000, 7,40,000, and to process YM account. Process YM account பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் it is 12,20,000 cost, 3,05,000 profit, and 15,25,000 is the sales. Or to the next process. Then process ZM account. 19,44,000 is the cost, 6,48,000 is profit, 25,92,000. Then finished stock account, 25,82,000 is the cost, 2,18,000 is profit, 28 lakhs. Question number 15. So this is stores ledger control account. First one, stores ledger control account. 2,52,000 is the closing balance. WIP control account. 1,20,000 closing balance. Overheads account 1,38,000 is the closing balance. And costing P&L 13,20,000 to general ledger adjustment account. Right? Question number 16. First, we have to calculate the EOQ 1,440 units. And you have to calculate the savings by opting the EOQ. So existing order policy irundichina, the total cost will be 11,535. As per EOQ it will be 9,000. So there will be a savings of 2,535. Then you have to calculate the reorder point under EOQ. 900 units. Frequency of order 19 days. Question number 17, preparation of cost sheet. So this is a solution. First, for cost of raw materials, question la கேட்டிருக்கிறது என்ன அப்படின்னா raw materials consumed, time cost, works cost, cost of production and cost of sales. So raw material consumption 2,30,000, prime cost 4,04,000. Factory cost. This is 5,41,960. Cost of production 5,36,960. And after all other adjustments, The cost of sales is 5,77,160. So number of rectified units 720 and proportionate additional expenditure is 2,160. So that's all with respect to CA Group 1. CA அவ்வளவுதான் முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. Test 6 as well as test 7. இந்த 15 days challenge related ஆன எல்லா டெஸ்ட்டுமே இதோட கம்ப்ளீட் ஆகுது. Now for CME. CMA Group 1, paper number 8, cost accounting, test number 6. One answer is D. This is true. This is false. Answer number false. Number 1, it is per contract. Number 2, cost control. And this is sunk cost. Capacity determination. This is capacity. This is number 30. Section B. So how would you compute this as per CAS 7 பத்தி கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So அதுல இருக்கிற overtime ஓட treatment. Similarly CAS 6 அதுல என்ன type of materials இருக்கு அப்படின்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So அது ரிலேட்டட் ஆன aspects எல்லாத்தையுமே நம்ம அதுல இன்க்ளூட் பண்ணுவோம். எந்தெந்த மெட்டீரியல்ஸ் இன்க்ளூட் பண்ணுவோம், எதை இன்க்ளூட் பண்ண மாட்டோம் அப்படிங்கிற டீடைல்ஸ் எல்லாம் நம்ம இதுல எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணணும். Number 3, this is contract account. So contract account பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் notional profit is 8 lakh in the problem. Okay, P&L account 1,95,122 and for reserve 6,04,878. These are the working notes. Question number 4. இந்த sum already நம்ம work out பண்ணியிருக்கோம் ஏற்கனவே ஒரு டெஸ்ட்ல. So occupancy, room occupancy, single room and double room, and computation of total cost. It is 1,34,32,000. And computation of revenue 1,67,90,000. And computation of room rent, it is 287.5. Question number 5. This is preparation of cost sheet. Answer is 4,75,000 is a profit. Okay. Question number 6. You have to group the expenses as per cost accounting standard applicable. So இதுவும் already நாம work out பண்ணிருக்கோம் ஒரு டெஸ்ட்ல. So this is the solution. Cost accounting 6 வருது, 7 வருது, 3, 11 and 15. This is a total. And question number 7. So you have to compute this profit as per costing. Okay, 2,14,500 வருது. So அதை என்ன பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா நம்ம profit as per financial books 3,83,960 கொண்டு வரதுக்கான reconciliation தான் இந்த problem. So first part is the workings for computing the cost as per profit as per cost records, and this is the reconciliation, profit as per financial books. Okay, now CMA Group 1, test number 7. One B, 2B, 3C, 4th 1 is B. This is B. 6th C. 7D. 8C. 9A. 10 is B. The profit volume ratio is constant, 10 to 1. First fill in the blanks. The first one is constant. Number 2, favorable. Number 3, cost control. Number 4, selling and distribution overhead. Number 5, abnormal loss. 6 is abnormal gain or abnormal profit. 7 is CAS 13. 8, it is WIP control account. True or false? This is false. Purchase value will be same for both the suppliers. So the answer is 20,000 units. And for a 15,000 இருக்கிற ஒரு ஆர்டருக்கு யாரை செலக்ட் பண்ணணும்? For A 34,500 and B it is 35,500. So அதனால A தான் choose பண்ணுவாங்க. Question number 2. So this is with respect to overheads. எப்படி நம்ம costingல calculate பண்ணுவோம்? So under absorption 1,45,000. You have to make a supplementary overhead rate. As answer is 2.50 per unit. Question number 3. This is cash budget for 3 months. அதுக்கான working notes. Number 1, debtors. Number 2, payment to creditors. So this is the cash budget. Opening balance, add cash inflows and less the cash outflows. And the answer is closing balance. 1,32,000, 1,67,000 and 2,46,000. Question number 4. Contract account. This is next question number 5. This is calculate the manufacturing cost. Statement of manufacturing cost for 2 varieties of bricks. One is forming, another operation is heat treatment. So this is the answer. இப்போதான் பார்த்தோம் அந்த டெஸ்ட் நம்பர் 6ல பார்த்த அதே ப்ராப்ளம். Then question number 7. Detailed stores ledger account தேவையில்லை. You have to just calculate the closing stock as per FIFO method and LIFO method. As per FIFO method, 9,13,000, LIFO 8,48,000. Cost of goods sold. The answer 25,77,500. This is the cost of goods sold. 17,09,500, 17,74,500. And you have profit under 2 methods. 2,15,500 and 1,50,500. Question number 8. Versus BEP in rupees, 26,40,000 is the answer. Number 2, how many units to be sold to earn a target net income of 60,000? So this is 28,40,000. C, number of units to be sold to earn a net income of 25% on cost. 3,96,000. And D, this is selling price 20.60. Question number 9. So question number 9 is similar to the one we have already discussed in test 6. Now you have to calculate the costing profit. அதே problem தான் 2,14,500 அந்த அதே costing P&L இருக்கு நமக்கு profit இருக்கு and you have to reconcile with financial books. So this is the answer for that. And section number C, இதெல்லாமே theory. CAS 5 பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் what are the things that you consider? So 3 mark questions. அதுக்கு point by point நம்ம கொடுத்தா போதும். State 3 characteristics of imputed cost, 4 marks, any 4 points. List out the various measures to reduce the turnover. So any 4 points, 4 or 5 points கொடுக்கும். Right? So that's all with respect to CMA Group 1 costing. Company accounts. Test number 6. C D A E A. For 7, the answer is C. 8 to 1 B, 9 to 1 B, 10 E, 11 is A, 12 D, 13 is D. This is accounting standard 17. Cash flow arising from this operating investing may be reported on net basis. Name any one of them. So this is a cash receipts. For 2, it is cash receipts on behalf of customers when cash flow reflect the activities of customer rather than those of the entity. So next is revenue from operations, reserve capital, nominal capital, investors collection and production fund within the time limit as a fixed and general meeting. Next is no. State whether true or false. First one is true, false. Then for 3, true, false. This is for third one. Fourth one is false. Fifth one is true. Sixth one true. 7 false. 8 false. 9 true. And 10 is false. Answer the following. What are the factors to be taken into account while calculating segmental revenue? It's a 2 mark question. Any 2 points. Disclosure under accounting standard 12. 2 mark question. Any 2 to 3 points. Section B. Issue of shares at a premium. Discuss. It is 4 mark question. So premium na section number 52 of the Companies Act என்ன சொல்லிருக்காங்க, எதுக்காக யூட்டிலைஸ் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிருக்காங்கங்கற டீடைலை இதுல எழுதணும். This is the answer. Forfeiture of shares versus reissue of forfeited shares. 4 marks. So any 4 points எழுதுனா number 3. It's a issue of shares. So இது ஒரு normal problem. பெரிய complications இந்த problemல ஒண்ணும் இல்ல. The entry for due, then receipt and adjustment, allotment due, allotment receipt, then forfeiture, forfeited shares account, and then this final call receipt, share forfeiture account, and then reissue, transfer to capital reserve. Answer வந்து 2 lakhs. So these are the working notes. Sorry, answer is 20,000, not 2 lakhs. Again, question number 4. Buyback. Okay, there are 3 conditions. Buyback. 3 methods. Maximum buyback, what is permissible under Companies Act. Number 1, share outstanding test prahara 1,25,000. Resource test 1,56,250. And debt equity ratio. So இதெல்லாம் பண்ணோம்னா number of shares that can be bought back is 1,15,000 as per debt equity ratio. So இதுல வந்து maximum permissible whichever is less of the 3 எடுத்துக்குவோம் 1,15,000. Actual buyback plan எவ்வளோ 1 lakh. So அது feasible தான், permissible limitsல தான் இருக்கு அப்படிங்கறத சொல்லணும். So அதுக்கான journal entries. equity share to general reserve to equity share buyback account, and general reserve. Number 1, C. D. D. For fourth one, it is C. B. C. Seventh one is D. D and D. For 10, it is C. True or false? False. True. The எல்லாமே false. Okay. Section B. First one is computation of accumulated expenses. ரெண்டாவது average interest rate is 12.29%. What are the interest amount to be capitalized? 1,03,595. And interest, actual interest cost incurred during the year, 2,45,000. Premium earned. Schedule 2 claims, Schedule 3 commission, Schedule 4 operating expenses. அதுக்கான working notes. Any change in the provision for unexpired risk? Question number 3. Accounting standard 3 prahara, you have to prepare a cash flow statement. So cash flow statement is the solution. Cash from investing activities 1,44,000 negative. Cash from operating activities 3,52,000. Cash flow from financing activities 2,76,000. Closing cash balance 6,000. So this is the answer and a kind of working notes. First P, fixed asset account, equity share capital, preference shareholders account, general reserve, capital redemption reserve, securities premium, premium on redemption. Question number 4. ஒரு balance sheet கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Now இது வந்து journal entries போடுற problem தான். So these are the journal. First is investment sold for buyback, and then redemption of preference shares, payment to preference shareholders, CRR creation, and amount due on buyback, and payment made for buyback, the own debentures cancelled at a profit, and premium or redemption of preference shares adjusted through securities premium. Section C. Explain finance lease. So it's a 4-mark question. Any 4 to 5 points நம்ம அதில் explain பண்ணா போதும். Finance lease. So that's all with respect to CMA Group 2 company accounts. Now CMA Group 2 cost and management accounting paper number 10A. அதுல test number 7. 50 marks இது. அதாவது அந்த அதுவே totally comprehensive test full mark test is 50 marks தான். Right? Answer 1. 1 is D, C, E, C. 5 it is B and A. இது மட்டும்தான் true. இது நாலுமே வந்து false. Okay. This is learning curve. And dash is a notional value. This is the transfer price. Okay. Section B, variance. Okay. 1,000 favorable for expenditure variance, volume variance 2,000 adverse, efficiency 4,000 adverse, calendar 2000 favorable, and cost variance is 1000 adverse. Question number 2. Question number 2 is, first we have to calculate the PV ratio. PV ratio 40%, break-even point 30 lakhs அல்லது 30,000 units. Additional sales volume required is 10 lakhs. Selling price if BEP is 20,000 units, 120 is the answer. Then question number 3. So, labor cost variance down the solution. So these are the workings, and this is the answer. So 2,424 adverse is cost variance, rate variance 2,000 adverse, 424 adverse efficiency, gang or you can call it as a labor mix variance, 80 favorable, and you have another variance called as a sub efficiency variance. Answer is 504 adverse. These are the workings. So this is the working. In the standard actual இதெல்லாம் எப்படி நம்ம எப்படி calculate பண்ணுங்கிறதுக்கான workings. Most profitable mix என்னன்னு calculate பண்ணனும். Answer is it is 92,000 வருது. And overall break even point 6,72,000 வருது. எத்தனை units அப்படிங்கிறது தான் இதோட ஆன்சர். 2000 of A, 1600 of B and 2400 of C. அதுக்கான working notes based on the contribution. Then cash budget preparation. So இந்த cash budgetலயும் பெரிய complications இல்ல. இதெல்லாம் working notes first போட்டுருக்காங்க. Realization from debtors எவ்வளவு வந்தது அப்படிங்கிறதுக்காக. Right? So this is the cash budget. And மேலையும் அது ஒரு working. Yeah, this is the workings இதெல்லாமே. So cash budget இதான் answer. Closing balance 3,000, 950, 3,000 and for June it is 300. இதான் answer. Okay. So that's all with respect to CMA. In the so far on the CMA Group 1 costing and CMA Group 2 la costing company accounts. And for CA it is Group 1 costing. இதெல்லாத்தோட 15 days challenge related ஆன எல்லா aspects முடிஞ்சிச்சு. Any clarifications? Okay, thank you.